Hey guys, today I want to show you what is the newest hit of the world, Om Telolet Om. This is how. So they make their own, and the developer of the song is competing with them and making exactly like paper, like da 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 da, like this, bam, bam, or something like that. That makes it become familiar. Like that, the sound. No. So let's just start this video. Om Telolet Om is actually from Indonesia, and it becomes familiar to all of the part of the world. And for all of you who is seeing this, I hope this is becoming familiar. But before that, please subscribe to my present gaming tune or MPGT on youtube.com. So let's start this one. As you can see, now it have one in a video like this. It have 1 billion views. In many films like this, see, it is billion and hundred thousands. Really? 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 Excuse me. Om Telolet Om becomes so much familiar. Like that. I'll see this video. It will explain for you.
Hello, Internet, and welcome to Behind the Meme, where we take a look at the meaning and the origin of your favorite memes and trends. Today we have a look at... Thank you to all of my viewers who requested this topic and informed me that it was blowing up and going viral. I was away from my...
That is it, guys. Om Telolet Om. Note 44 on trending. Bye. Please, Om Telolet Om. I make their own song. Sample. I built it like that. Guys.